Hi everyone, this is Alex for Dad&Tech. In today's video, I will go over 5 security settings that you should immediately use or not use to stay secure on your iPhone. Let's get started with number 1 on the list, app updates. Apps can automatically be set to update when a release is available. Developers will release a new version to patch bugs and vulnerabilities found on their application, so let's make sure that you have app updates enabled. Let's go into settings. Let's scroll down and click on App Store and make sure that everything under automatic downloads is enabled. That means app downloads, app updates, and in-app content. You can see which applications will be soon updated or the ones that have been updated already by going into the App Store, clicking on your account ID on the top right corner, and scrolling down on automatic updates and also under updated recently. You can also update them manually by clicking on the update button next to an application, or update all to update all of them at once, but we want to avoid doing manual updates, so let's leave it at automatic updates. Now let's proceed with number 2 on the list, AirDrop. AirDrop is a feature that was first introduced in iOS 7. It allows to share files between Mac and iOS devices, and there are 3 different settings that can be set. They are everyone, contacts only, and receive enough. After multiple incidents were reported, Apple changed the everyone setting to everyone for 10 minutes since iOS version 16.1.1. In the comments, I will put a link to a Wikipedia page where you can read some examples of incidents that occurred in different occasions by me. Misuse of AirDrop. Now, to avoid receiving unwanted files, let's make sure that you are using the correct settings for AirDrop. Open the settings, go to General, and click on AirDrop. So here you have receive enough, so that means that you do not allow anybody to send you any files and to not make your iPhone discoverable, and contacts only to limit sharing only with people in your contacts list. Personally, I always leave it to contacts only, and I will change it according to my needs. Now, before proceeding with remaining items on the list, let me take a moment to ask you to please subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content, and give a thumbs up if you're enjoying the video so far. Number 3 on the list is Face ID. Face ID is a facial recognition system that uses biometric authentication for unlocking a device, to make payments, accessing sensitive data, and a lot more. It also provides an extra layer of security on top of your password. So let's make sure to enable it by going into Settings, Face ID and Passcode. Now enter your passcode, and you would find a Setup Face ID link. So follow the instructions on the screen to set it up. Once completed, you can specify which options will require Face ID. And I suggest to use for iPhone Unlock, iTunes and App Store, Wallet and Apple Pay, Password Autofill, and other apps if they allow to use Face ID. So there are other options also on this screen that you can go over and set them according to your preferences. Number 4 on this list is password security recommendations. Now let me show you. Navigate into Settings, then you will find Passwords, and at the top you're going to find Security Recommendations. As you can see on my iPhone, there are 2 security recommendations that are found. So let's click on Security Recommendations, and you have here the information. So proton.me and protonmail.com are reusing the same password. So now let me click on proton.me, and here it's going to give you a security recommendation and an explanation of why it was flagged as a security risk. So it says you are reusing this password on protonmail.com, which increases the risk to this account if your protonmail.com account is compromised, and it offers a change password on website link. So The explanation is very clear. Now let's click on security recommendations to go back. And also we have here a feature that says detect compromised passwords. Make sure to have it enabled. Your iPhone will alert you if one of your accounts is part of a known data leak. Now number 5 on this list is iOS updates. As the making of this video, current iOS version is 17.2.1. So having the latest public iOS version ensures that you are running the safest iOS that Apple has released. So let's go into settings and then general, software update, and automatic updates. Make sure that everything under automatically install and automatically download is enabled. So iOS updates, security responses and system files, and iOS updates. As you can see on this screen, Apple also offers beta updates for testing purposes, but it is out of the scope of this video. If you would like me to film a video on how to register for the beta updates and how to register, let me know in the comments below and I will make a video to explain the process. So by activating automatic updates, your iPhone will inform you once a new public iOS version is released. So this concludes the 5 security settings to use or not to use immediately on your iPhone. Now let me ask you, what other security settings are you using to stay secure on your iPhone? Please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and until the next video.